Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rudie Rosa and today I'm here with a Geiger unboxing. So if this is your type of video, please keep on watching and let's get in. So I recently visited my local Geiger store and I went to check out the new collection. I'm in love with the new collection. New shapes, new colors, new designs, new sizes, and I just wanted to have a look for myself because I was looking on the website and it's always nice to go and try on and see it in person. So here it is. This is the new bag. It comes in blue and also pink. I do have both. I asked for both because I have this weird obsession with shopping bags. And this is the pink one. The pink one is smaller. The blue one is for large items. My item fit just perfect in here. And summer's all about bright colors, you know. And I love how Geiger represented that in the bag packaging. So as always, the receipt is here. So on the plastic packaging, it always tells you what's inside your bag, basically. The item number, the name of the bag. Let's unbox. Probably already see the color anyway. So this is the small string tote Kensington bag. It is in the color bone. It's like a white cream. I love that. This bag is a 2-in-1 bag, so you can wear it over your hand just like that, or also a crossbody. It comes with straps and I'll show you that. At first I did want the larger size, but they didn't have the larger size in stock. But to say this is small, this is like a medium sized bag to me. You can fit quite a lot in this bag. It also comes in black, in small and large also, which I did see in the shop, but it was just a little bit too big for me. So as always, this is real leather. It comes in the quilted detailing with the stitching. And as always, we have the eagle head with the crystal embellishments. And this one is in gold hardware. It does have the little feet at the bottom, which I love. So it protects the bag for when you're putting it on surfaces. As always, it has the brass plaque logo on the back, what just says Geiger London. So let's actually take this protective wrapper off so we can actually claim it. Once this is off, I know it's mine. Once the packaging is off, it's mine. No more returning, no more, you know. So this is how it looks without the protective packaging, the handles, just like that. Let's open it up. So it has a button here, a closure button. It's a magnetic button, and I love that. Not all tote bags have a zip or a button to close it, and I love that you have your privacy. With this one, take out the tissue paper. A lot. As always, we have the Geiger dust bag to protect your bag, store your bag. This is the inside. Pretty decent inside, with the Geiger silk embroidery with the logo all around them. And we have the kindness plaque in there. I think this is part of their new collection, so you'll see this in all bags. And as always, so you know it's real, the Kurt Geiger authenticity. So in the back you have just a little pocket there. Also here you have a zip. So as always, I would just keep change in there or my cards back there if I'm not carrying a purse or a card holder. And then for the crossbody chain, so it's mixed with leather as well as the gold hardware detailing. You can take the chain off if you don't want to wear it. So this just hooks in like that. So this is the strap to make it a crossbody. I don't think I'm going to be wearing it a crossbody too much. It just depends on the outfit and the activity. But most of the time I will be wearing it handheld just like that. So it's detachable. So these are 2 knot straps here, so you can tighten the bag. And that just gives the bag a bit more extra security. Even though you have the button here to close it, this actually just closes in the bag so you can't see what's in there. And I just love the diversity of this bag, to where you've actually, it's one bag, you've bought one bag, but you can style it and make it into 2 bags, if you get what I mean. Yeah, it is in a soft leather, so you have to be very careful on how you store this bag. I think this is a decent size. This is definitely going to be one of my go-to summer bags for this summer and for a few more summers to come. It can fit quite a bit in here. I have the iPhone 16 Plus, that's the big phone. It fits in there. My keys, my everyday essentials fit in here. And I love that. So thank you guys for watching. So please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have your eye on any of the Kurt Geiger bags, or if you have picked up any for this summer. Bye bye.